Hello everyone, if you all are also struggling to create amazing social media posts, then these top free AI tools to generate social media posts in 2025 are definitely a lifesaver for you, whether you need AI video maker, image enhancer, color palette generator, and emoji generator. These tools have you covered. So, let's get started. RecCraft, transform text into stunning visuals. The first tool is RecCraft, which generates unique graphics from text prompts. It turns your ideas into eye-catching visuals. Simply type in your text prompt, and RecCraft generates stunning images, graphics, or designs tailored to your needs. It's perfect for creating unique social media posts that stand out. Benefits: ideal for creating unique, eye-catching visuals. Saves time on design work. How to use: enter your idea or prompt into RecCraft. Select the style you want. Download the generated graphic and use it. Emojis, emoji generator. Emojis' tool uses AI algorithms to suggest relevant emojis based on your text input. Simply type in your caption or message, and emojis will craft custom emoji suggestions based on your message. Emojis are proven to boost engagement, and this tool makes picking the right ones effortlessly. Benefits: enhances post appeal. Saves time searching for emojis. How to use: type your text or theme into emojis. Copy the suggested emojis. Paste them into your social media post. Let's Enhance, image enhancer. Let's Enhance is a lifesaver for anyone working with low-res images. Using AI, it sharpens details, enhances colors, and removes noise, making it ideal for photos, product images, and more. Whether you're working with old pictures or low-res stock images. Benefits: perfect for product images, old photos, or stock images. Improves visual quality for professional results. How to use: upload your image to Let's Enhance. Choose enhancement settings. Download your improved, high-res image. Lumen 5 AI Video Maker. With Lumen 5, you can turn blog posts or ideas into stunning videos that it's perfect for repurposing blog posts, articles, or even ideas into professional videos for platforms like Instagram, Facebook, and YouTube. Lumen 5 combines AI with beautiful templates, music, and animations for a seamless video creation experience. Benefits: creates engaging videos quickly. Ideal for marketers and bloggers. How to use: copy and paste text into Lumen 5. Let AI match visuals and animations to your text. Download and share your video. Canva's Magic Design. First, let's talk about Canva's Magic Design, a feature that uses AI to create personalized templates for social media. Just upload your images or content, and Canva suggests stunning designs tailored to your needs. Benefits: saves time on designing. Perfect for non-designers looking for professional results. How to use: open Canva and choose Magic Design. Upload your content or input your ideas. Select a design from the suggestions, customize, and download. Chroma Color Palette Generator. Chroma is an AI-powered color palette generator. It lets you train the AI with your favorite colors and generates endless combinations perfect for any design project. Whether you're designing Instagram posts or website banners, Chroma lets you create personalized palettes tailored to your style. Benefits: personalized palettes. Perfect for Instagram, web banners, or ads. How to use: visit Chroma and select colors you love. Let the AI create matching palettes. Export and use directly in your projects. HubSpot's Social Media Calendar. Finally, we have HubSpot Social Media Calendar, a powerful tool for planning and scheduling your content. Keeping track of posts, campaigns, and trends can be hectic, but this tool simplifies it all with an intuitive drag-and-drop calendar interface. Benefits: centralized content planning for all platforms. Optimizes posting times for maximum engagement. Saves time with AI-assisted scheduling and hashtag recommendations. Provides insights on post performance to refine future campaigns. How to use: log into HubSpot and navigate to the social media calendar. Plan your posts by dragging and dropping content into specific time slots. Use the AI suggestions feature to optimize posting times and hashtags. Schedule your posts across multiple platforms with just a few clicks. Visely AI-powered wireframing tool. For those who design mockups or wireframes, Visely is your new best friend. This tool uses AI to generate UI/UX designs based on your input. It's perfect for creating social media layouts or website designs in just minutes. Benefits: no design experience needed. Great for quick mockups. How to use: sign up on Visely. Drag and drop elements to create your design. Export and share with your team or audience. And that's it. These free AI tools are game changers for social media creators. Auto Draw, doodle to art. Ever wished your doodles looked professional? Meet Auto Draw, an AI tool that turns rough sketches into polished graphics instantly. It's perfect for logos, icons, or quick illustrations when you're in a rush. And the best part? It's totally free and web-based. Benefits: easy to use for beginners. Perfect for creating visuals in minutes. How to use: draw a rough sketch on Auto Draw. Watch as AI polishes it into artwork. Download and use it in your designs. Pictochart. Pictochart is an excellent tool for designing infographics, reports, and social media visuals. It uses AI to suggest designs based on your data. Benefits: makes complex data visually appealing. Perfect for educational or informative posts. How to use: upload your content or data into Pictochart. Customize the suggested designs. Share your infographic across social media. Fotor. Last but not least, Fotor is an AI-driven photo editor perfect for enhancing visuals for your social media. Benefits: improves the quality of visuals. Easy to use even for beginners. How to use: upload your photo to Fotor. Use AI filters or enhancement features. Download your polished photo. Here's a quick recap of what we discussed. Chroma and FontJoy help you with creative color palettes and perfect font pairings. Auto Draw and Designify let you turn simple doodles or raw images into polished visuals. Tools like Let's Enhance and Fotor improve the quality of your photos for more professional-looking posts. If you're looking for quick graphics, check out Recraft, Canva's Magic Design, or Canva for stunning templates and animations. Finally, streamline your workflow with tools like HubSpot Social Media Calendar and Pictochart for scheduling and managing posts. So, we've covered 11 incredible AI tools today that can completely transform your social media game. Whether you're a content creator, a marketer, or a business owner, these tools are designed to make your life easier, save you time, and help you create stunning content with minimal effort. And don't forget, this is just the beginning. AI is constantly evolving, and new tools are being developed every day to help creators like you. And that's it. These free AI tools are game changers for social media creators. From emojis to videos, these tools will help you save time, boost engagement, and create stunning content. Which tool are you most excited to try? Let me know in the comments below. Make sure to like this video if you found it helpful. Subscribe to my channel for more content on the latest tech and AI trends. And hit that notification bell so you don't miss future updates. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.